Hi guys, how are you all? It's a new week and from the other previous week that I posted. But I hope you guys are well. Well, it's a new show for today. Welcome to another episode of Tweegab. Well, this won't be a gab really. I think I want to sing for you guys. So yesterday I went to an audition, church choir audition. And they said because I wasn't because I'm new in this place, so I wanted to like go and check out new stuff. But say it have to be like a member or something and all that, so it was quite okay. I understand, but I wanted to sing for you just so that you know that I can sing. So anytime you hear or somewhere where somebody needs a singer, call your girl. Anyway, well, so thing is, I am an impromptu singer. Sometimes I do an unrehearsed song, so you will just understand and follow through. Cause I slay. Anyway, trying the Beyonce song. If you got me. Cause I slay. Okay. Ooh, 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 ooh. I look at you and wonder why I see the pain in your face. And I know one day when everything comes up, you will stay strong, yeah. And I know that one day everything will make sense for you. So hang in there, stand your ground, and be the person you've always ever dreamt to be. Never give up, never give up. Oh, stay strong, my friend. It's a little short because I didn't have the lyrics or anything, it just came. So it's like an impromptu song. Never thought of it before, just for you guys. That's a special for you guys actually. Well, as usual, you know what I do. I made my eyebrows shine and pop. Yes. Can you see that? Also my lips. Kisses. And my little choker bling. I put a bling on that choker. Can you see that? I mean, nowadays I'm trying to be very creative. Doesn't matter. Anyway, guys, so I just hope you guys are having a lovely week and planning to have a very lovely weekend. In other news, also, I think I'll be moving in the next month. So this is a little secret for you guys. I've told no one but for my sister. So you guys are privy to something else. And the one that we're moving is my roommate. Ooh, this will come in later on. So guys, have fun, enjoy yourselves, and keep being glowing. Hey, and did you see the hair? I'm for the shagginess. So peace to all of you. I think I'm in an opera.